Here's a QVT for you. You know all of these patterns that we hoard? Here's what you can do. Do you ever have a pattern that you cut it out and you can't find a piece? For the life of me, where is that piece? Well, guess what? See that piece right there? It's the same as that piece right there. So get out the small pieces and copy them on the photocopier. And then just change the label. So when I'm done with this, it's going back in the envelope. So when I find a lost piece, I can put it in the envelope or I can ball it up and throw it away. And I think that's what happened. I balled it up and threw it away. But I got a replacement piece. I checked everything on the original pattern and it fits perfectly. Make a copy of the small pieces, cut them out, and put them with the pattern. Hope this helps. It sure helped me.